When we're looking at an image like this, and if we want this Colosseum to be part of our selection, what you're going to ask yourself is, what's going to be the easiest way to do that? Well, with the tools like the rectangular marquee or the elliptical marquee, that may be a little difficult. With tools like the lasso tool, it is doable, but you're going to have a really steady hand and a lot of time. For a selection like this, the easiest way to do it would be to use this continuous color and use the magic wand tool or the quick selection tool in order to make our selection. In class, we will talk about using the magic wand tool. If the Colosseum is going to be the selection that I want, the Colosseum has a lot of tonal changing values. So when I use the magic wand, it's just going to select small areas of that overall tonal range, that color range. Now I can control that through tolerance, like we talked about, or we will talk about in class, based on when you're watching this video, before or after the demo lecture. But you can turn your tolerance up so that you can select more color ranges with the magic wand tool, or you can turn it down to select a smaller area of those tonal color ranges. What we would do for something like this is it would be a whole lot easier to select the sky. So we're going to use this to select the sky. We're going to hold shift to add to our selection, and then we will also continue to hold shift to click inside of these open areas inside of these windows, and this is all part of one big selection. Now the sky is the selection, the deselected area is the Colosseum. Well, I want that to be the opposite, so I use the sky to make the selection, and then I'm going to inverse this, and what that will do is that will inverse my selection. Now the Colosseum is what's selected instead of the sky. And that's a real quick way to use the magic wand tool.